Stop using AI to do everything in one prompt. That's why your content sounds robotic. Yes. So this is a full polished content set created using a simple 5 prompt chain inside Claude for free. So I'm going to show you how to go from one raw idea to two finished polished posts without re-explaining your voice a single time. Before you write a single prompt, open a project and name it after whatever you're creating content around. A product, a topic, a client, it doesn't matter. Alright, so inside that project, drop in your brief, who you're talking to, your tone, and 2 or 3 examples of content you've made before that sounds like you. This is important because Claude will read that brief before every single prompt you send inside this project. You're not re-explaining your voice 5 times, you are setting it once and for all. So on the free plan, project comes with a knowledge capacity. So keep your brief tight, a 1 page instead of a manual. Don't keep it a full manual. Alright, so before now I've already made a video showing you how to set up projects in Claude. So if you don't already know how to set up Claude project, just follow this video first and then later on go watch the video right here. So once it's in, you've got a workspace that already knows your contents. Coming up next is the first prompt in the chain, and it's not write me a post. So your first prompt should never ask for the finished piece. Ask Claude for 3 possible angles in your topic instead. Like, give me 3 different angles I could take on this topic for my audience. You are not writing yet. Note this, you're not writing yet. You're choosing direction. This step is crucial because most people skip straight to write this for me and get back something flat because Claude had to guess at the angle itself. When you pick the angle first, everything downstream gets sharper. So pick the one that fits and you're ready for the actual draft. So which is where the system starts moving fast. Now in that same project chart, ask Claude to write the full piece based on the angle you picked. Because it already has your brief and now has the chosen direction, this draft comes out sounding like you, not like a random AI wrote it from scratch. Now has like your voice. Please, here's the pitfall you should avoid. Don't start a new chart for this. Staying in the same conversation means Claude keeps the full context, like your brief, the angle, everything. Starting fresh makes you lose all of that. This is the difference between a generic first draft and one that's actually close to done for you. With your draft sitting right there, ask Claude to adapt it into a second format, a script into a caption, and a post into an email, whatever your system needs. Say explicitly, follow the ideas, don't copy the wording line for line. This is a step people pay tools for, and you're doing it free in one chat because Claude can see the original draft and adapt it rather than starting blind. You just turned 1 hour of work into one prompt. Last move, ask Claude to review both pieces against a short checklist. Does this match my tone? Is everything repetitive? Is it too long? This is your quality gate before anything goes out. Right, so please note that when you're using Claude for free, you have a message limit that refreshes. So on Claude free plan, batch this whole 5 step chain in one sitting rather than spreading it across your whole day. Right, so if you burn through your limit meet system, you will be waiting on the reset before you can finish. So just finish this one content chain before you go. All right, the biggest takeaway here is simple. Stop asking Claude to do everything in one massive prompt. Break it into chain and let each prompt build on the last, and you will get content that actually sounds like you. So if you want a done for you version of this workflow, grab my AI content kit and the link is in the description below. So I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye.